Hey, so you want to know where to get solo ads for WarriorPlus and you want to know what actually works in 2026. Well, you came to the right place if you don't know who I am. I'm Gio Gianta. I'm a top producer and top traffic provider in online space, and I help people to build and grow their business online. And in this video, I'm going to let you know what WarriorPlus is and how to get up and get started with it. If you haven't created an account yet, you're going to want to create a free account. It's free to create an account, and then I'm going to share with you some results of some people who are working with me and what kind of results that they're getting. And then I'm going to actually show you the best traffic source to use with solo ads. So this way you know where to get high quality traffic from that actually converts and gets you results with your WarriorPlus offers. So let's get into it in this video. What you're looking at is you're looking at the login screen for WarriorPlus. So if you don't already have an account, you're going to want to create a free account. Before we send any kind of traffic to your offers, you're going to want to create that account and have that account up and going. So this way you can log in, you can look at the affiliate offers, and you want to find an affiliate offer that has very good stats. So this way you know that you have a high probability of making sales with it, right? So pick one that has very high stats, and then you can connect it to one of your funnels. So this way you're actually retaining your own leads. So make sure you use a funnel page to where you're actually building your own email list, because if it's not connected to your own pages, then you're not going to be able to grow your own list with your leads. So make sure you do that. And here's some of the results that people are getting from working with me. So Larry, he just made his first 3 sales ever in marketing 17 hours ago, right? And then 2 other people that just signed up with me about 2 weeks ago are already getting sales as well. Here's Paulo, and if you've been marketing for any amount of time, you probably know who Paulo is. He's a multiple 7-figure earner in the space, and he does very well, and he's already making sales. And then we have Phil. Phil's somebody who has done multiple different offers, a lot of high ticket stuff, and has got little to no results. And then he came over here, he bought some traffic from me, and he's already getting sales, right? So it's really amazing to see that people are getting these kind of results, right? So I would say that's all from having the right system in place. And I love our system that we have right here. This is one of the best emailers that I've ever used, and my average open rate for my emails is 18%. We also have a spam checker right here. So as you're writing your emails, it's going to give you a spam score. It's going to let you know if your emails are good, and if it's not, the score is going to go down, and it's going to ask you to change some of the words in the email. So this way you can make sure your emails will land in the inbox. Because if your emails aren't landing in the inbox and nobody's seeing your emails, and if you're getting traffic and nobody's seeing your emails, then you're not going to be able to make sales with your traffic. So this is very important. You have high deliverability, and this is why I suggest this platform. And here's some of the results from the open rates that I've been getting from my emails. Here's the email that I sent out today: 13% open rate, 15% open rate, 19% open rate, 16% open rate, 14% open rate, 18% open rate, 17% open rate, 26% open rate, 14% open rate, 20% open rate. So, I mean, as you can see, my average open rate for my emails is around 17 or 18% open rate. And I love this platform because we have email validation on our funnels. So anybody who tries to enter in a fake email won't be able to get through. And we have bot protection, so this way you can ensure you have nothing but clean leads. And we also will clean your list. If you bring your email list over to this platform, we will clean it for you, so you have no duplicates, 100% real leads, and they are all clean, right? So that's what our platform does, and it's really cool because you can set it to actually clean your list right here. If I take you right here and we go to clean up, we can set this, we can turn this on, and it will automatically clean up your list. It will keep your list clean, and that's really important if you're doing email marketing. And I love this email platform because it's pay as you go, so there's no monthly fees. it comes with our funnel builder tool, and the funnel builder tool is the same tool that I built my traffic store off of, Profit Builders Traffic, and you'll find a link to the traffic store below this video. This is what the store is built off of. So if you've ever wanted to build your own sales pages, your own funnels, your own products, your own store, or a membership, you can do it with these tools as well. And if you want to learn more about these tools, then come to this page right here. This page is going to be the second link in the description of this video, and it's a turnkey residual income system where you earn 80% of every dollar that comes back to you with the system. So basically, the tools that I use, you could earn 80% of those commissions by using the tool. So you could build what you want with our funnel builder tool. I have an e-commerce traffic store. I have my sales pages. I have my products. So I build everything off of these tools. And why you should actually get traffic from me is because I make sure that you have targeted traffic to the offers that you're promoting. And I want you to make sure that the sales copy and the capture page are congruent. And then we make sure that you get high quality traffic to the offers that you have, right? That's what's very important. So that's first and foremost why you should get traffic from me, because I was $87,000 in debt trying to figure all this out on my own. And then I had to get coaching, and then I became a top producer, and I was able to learn the skill sets, right? So when you're getting traffic, you need to know where you're getting the traffic from. So, when you order from me, I get traffic from Facebook, YouTube, Google, Bing PPC, banner ads, WarriorPlus, solo ads, and CPA marketing. It's very important to know where you're getting your traffic from. And I help you to build a list of the most highly engaged people. And I help you to set up your funnels and your offers. I help you to get as high as 85% opt-in rate on your pages. It's very important when you're buying traffic to get as much of that traffic into your funnel as possible. That's really, really important because you're buying traffic, you are paying for it, and I help you to set up and know your stats, because tracking your stats are very important when you're buying traffic. And also, I want you to build a list of the most highly engaged people who really want what you have to offer. And so how this all works is it works in 3 simple steps. Step 1 is you select a traffic package below. I have 90% tier 1 and 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. Step 2 is we do a campaign review. So you will have the opportunity to book a call with me where I review your campaign and I give you the highest converting pages, and I let you know what works and what's not working, right? It's very important to know that. And so we do the strategy call with the campaign review, and then we will launch your campaign after the call, right? So that's how it works. Here's some of the results that I've got for people: 200 clicks of traffic, 90% opt-in rate, and 3 sales. And there's plenty of other testimonials right here. So take a look at this for yourself. It's very, very important. Here's 90% tier 1 traffic. Here's 100% tier 1. Pick the one that works best for you. But I will say my store is being revamped, and I'm going to have a whole new store. So if you're lucky enough to see this store at the time when I'm shooting this video, then you're going to get a traffic discount from me because the prices are going up and the store is being revamped. And if you have any questions, chances are your questions are going to be answered down here. So take a look at this section as well. Here's my guarantee to you. I guarantee you 100% real traffic, no bots, no fake clicks, 100% real people who really want what you have to offer. If you have any questions, you can leave them down here, or you can leave them right under the video. I will answer everybody who comments in the description of the video. I will answer those questions as well. So you can leave your questions below. Also, make sure you go to the traffic store below this video. I have a free Facebook group that you could get in where I give tips, tricks, and strategies on how to build and grow your business online. Also, make sure you subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any time that I upload a new video. And if you want to learn more about systems and everything like that, go to this page. It's going to be the second link below this video. Put your information in and you'll be able to learn more about these tools that I'm using to build my entire business online, funnels, email, and having everything that you need to be able to build and grow online. All right, thank you for watching, and bye for now.